On in and
Joe
listen
Biden
up.
says, you
Listen.
ain't seen nothing yet, and proceeds to finish the economy by putting the final nail in the coffin. Today, he signs a proposal to put a 44.6 capital gains tax on the American people.
Listen to this.
Theoretically strong-arming his way out the White House. Check this out. So he goes into the White House and he says, oh, the economy's not bad enough? Let me put a 44.6% tax, capital gains tax on the American people.
Wow.
So if you sell your house, you have a 44% capital gains tax. And then, better yet, he says, let me put a 25% capital gains tax on unrealized gains.
Listen to this.
Meaning if you have stocks that made money, he's going to tax them 25% even though you haven't sold them yet.
Wow.
This guy is literally writing his way out the White House. So if you are a Donald Trump fan, this is literally a easy win for Donald Trump. He doesn't even have to campaign. Joe Biden is writing his way out the White House as we speak. Peace and love and deuces.